The breed we'd like to focus on this week is the Chihuahua. The Chihuahua is the smallest breed of dog in the world. It gets its name from a state in Mexico, but actually its breed originated in China. Now, obviously, incredibly small breed. There are two different varieties. There's the smooth coat, like Snoopy here. There's also a long-coated Chihuahua too. They still need exercise. You know, even though they're this small, we can't just carry them around. They still need exercise, but obviously a lot less than some of the larger breeds. So usually we're talking around about half an hour a day. Now, what they lack in size, they certainly make up for in character. They're incredibly cheeky and intelligent breed, and they suffer from what we call small dog syndrome. So it's not uncommon when you've got larger dogs around for the little one to be the boss. As with most small breeds, they tend to have quite a long life expectancy, and the Kennel Club says that they would live at least 12 years, and we quite commonly see Chihuahuas here at the clinic that are 15, 16, if not older. Snoopy himself is 11. Now, one of our nurses, Stacey, owns the Chihuahua, and she's going to tell you a little bit about what they're like to own.
This is Wilma, my 2-year-old Chihuahua, who I've had since she was 8 weeks old. She is a very small dog with a very big personality. She loves running around with my Labrador in the garden, on a walk. She's really active. But due to her breed, she can be temperamental at times, so I do have to continue with the training. She had a lot of socialisation from 8 weeks of age to get her used to people and dogs and the vets particularly, and that's really helped. But still now, there are a few things that we have to work on just due to her sort of size and her being a little bit nervous of big things in life.
Chihuahuas in general are quite a healthy breed, and they don't tend to get a lot that goes wrong with them, but there are some problems that we see more commonly. So with their eyes being quite large and quite stuck out in proportion to their head, they are prone to quite a lot of eye problems. We also see quite a lot of joint problems. They can have popping kneecaps, and they also get a lot of heart problems too. In terms of tests that you can have done, if you're breeding or things you should check if you're getting a puppy, there aren't too many really available. There's one genetic test for a condition that causes anemia, so if they've had that test and they're clear, then brilliant, but there's no specific tests that we would recommend. There are two conditions, however, that we do see frequently in the Chihuahua. So the first one is dental disease. Their teeth are awful, so usually by the age of 3, 4, if not younger, they will have awful disease. So certainly if you're getting a Chihuahua, it's worthwhile starting some dental care early on in life and expect that they're going to need multiple dentals throughout their life, and it's common for an older Chihuahua to have no teeth left at all because they've all been extracted. The other problem that we see, possibly even more frequently, is behavioural problems. Now, intrinsically, they're not a nasty dog, they're a very intelligent dog, but I feel that a lot of people, because they're so cute, because they're so small, they tend to baby the Chihuahua, carry them around, they don't socialise them as well, and they let them get away with things that you wouldn't let a bigger dog get away with. So, you know, they tend to be jumping up, they tend to be sitting on people, they tend to get away with biting, and really you have to treat them like a dog. So if you get a Chihuahua, you need to have socialisation, like these puppies behind me that are socialising. They need appropriate training, they need appropriate discipline, and they need all the same attention that you would give any other dog to prevent them developing a problem. So in general, Chihuahua, nice little breed, very intelligent, but do your homework and make sure you treat them like a dog, not a little toy.